Hello from Muskmelon Farms. Today I'm going to take you through our muskmelon field. It's starting to produce quite well right now. And also tell you a few things about it. For instance, we do have 3 varieties of muskmelon. Our early variety is Goddess that we're currently harvesting. And we only have like 2 rows here, but they're producing very well, so we're picking a lot of melons. You can see we're just piling them up along. And when it comes to the muskmelons, the varieties I grow, as long as they have turned a yellow color, they're ready. As you can see, here's some that are not, and ones that are. When I mean ready, as in they're ready to eat. So once we bring these to the stand, you don't have to ask the question, which one's ready? Because they're all ready to go and eat. And that would be for this type of variety. There are some types of varieties, especially some that you'll find in the stores, that need to soften up. Not this one. So they're coming along good. And then the next one we'll be harvesting will be the Solstice. It's a little bit larger of the muskmelons, but also a little bit later, which makes it help it with extending the muskmelon harvest. And I have to admit, this year might be one of the biggest muskmelon years Muskmelon has ever seen. You will notice a couple of weeds here and there, but that's actually not going to affect the plants. They're pretty much done doing their vigorous growth. Right now it's just to ripen the melons. The other melon that we grow is orange sherbet. A slightly later, again. Sometimes it's about the same time as Solstice, sometimes it's a little later. But that helps with extending the muskmelon season. And these are looking fantastic. I got so many melons out here, and they're looking so good. They're one of my favorite to eat ones. All 3 varieties that I grow, the orange sherbet, the Solstice, and the Goddess, are 3 varieties that we've chosen through lots and lots of varieties. We've grown muskmelon for a very long time, and I've gone through every variety that was available, and those 3 are the ones that are tastiest for me. So, granted, that is tastiest for me, for my growing conditions and so forth. But you can see for the orange sherbet, that's this row here that I'm looking at, once in a while you'll find an early one. You can see here, this one here is not ready. That makes it so easy for the my crew to be able to tell which one to pick. Also, if you're at home and you don't have this type of variety, the way you tell is if the stem pops off the melon. If it pops off, you're ready. So we're gonna have to look through these sherbets, because as you see, here's another one. So yeah, doing really good on that. Now, I think I'll hand the camera off to my wife, who is out here with us harvesting, and have her video us as we're picking them up. Give me a second, I gotta go walk over to it. We're using the trailer and tractor. We drive alongside, we throw it to the people on the trailer, or just hand it to them. Are we counting them? Okay, so today we have a contest going on. We're guessing how many melons we're going to get today. And how many did you guess?
250.
And you?
205.
And you, Kiara?
300.
And you, my wife?
33.
I'm a pessimist-ish, more realist, so I said 180. Granted, it's definitely going to be more than 180. But I'll hand you off to my wife so she can show us harvesting them. Okay, Tyler.
3,
Well, there's certainly a lot coming. So many coming. All right, back to the stand.
3.
Yep, 3. 3.
Oh, he's been doing it. I like that. A couple of years ago when he was doing brush shape plans. Yeah.
3.
3.
Oh, that's automatic.
Are we keeping all the sherbet?
I wouldn't mind having another one.
2.
Oh, no, put that one aside.
That's fine.
Oh, I know how this works now.
2.
Yeah. 3.
And there's 4 left in here. You want to just keep them? And now that we're done with the muskmelon aerobics, we're done for today. Thank you for watching the video.
Please subscribe.
Bye.